Upper function is very similar to lower function. This function converts all lowercase letters in a text string to uppercase letters. This function has only one argument. In text argument, type the text string or select the cell reference you want to convert to uppercase letters. Characters in text string that are not letters are not changed. Only alphabetical letters are changed. Click cancel. Active this cell. Click text arrow button. Scroll down. Click upper function. The function arguments dialog box opens. In text box, select the text string. Click OK. Upper function has changed the lowercase letter string in uppercase letter string. Paste the formula in other cell. Press mouse and drag to this cell. Now active this cell. Click text arrow button. Scroll down. Click upper function. In text box, select these two text strings. I convert these two cells text strings to uppercase letters and concatenates these two text strings with a space between them in cell reference E9. Click cell reference E9. Enter ampersand sign. Enter quote mark. Press space key. Enter quote mark. Again enter ampersand sign. Click cell reference D9. Click OK. Upper function converts lowercase letters text string to uppercase letters text string and concatenates these two text strings with a space between them. In this way, you can change the lowercase letters text string to uppercase letters text string.